Hello, today I will be going over my technology professional development course. Starting with our start here area, they will start off with kind of like an introducing themselves section to kind of get them used to each other and see who all is involved in the course and to kind of build that learning community since there will be other discussion posts that they'll be participating in the different modules. Next, they'll go through the syllabus, which will have the course communication, contact information, the course expectations and outcomes, as well as any important documents linked in here. At the beginning, we've got the overall goal of the course, which is for the teachers to be able to explore the different technology applications and become familiar with them and create their own templates of those different apps and tools. So the contact information is here, included with my email. If there are any issues that any of the students might face while they're navigating through this course, I will have office hours available on Mondays and Thursdays for a set amount of time, and there'll be a Zoom link that they'll use to log on. And if for some reason those office hour times don't work, they can email me and we can make other arrangements. The course expectations and outcomes kind of reviews why this course is important, what they're going to be able to do whenever they finish it. It has linked in here the recommended course completion timeline. They are expected to follow this at a minimum, but can work at a faster pace if they wish to. This is also posted separately for their reference in that start here area as well. It does state here that upon completion of the course, they'll get 6 technology hours, but that is not automatic. Successful completion of the course and modules is dependent on their effective demonstration in their assignments and meaningful and relevant discussion posts. So if that is not evident, then they could lose some of those technology professional development credit hours. So they are not automatic. They have to show the effort in order to receive those hours. I've also linked the course outline for them to be able to review, which kind of breaks down the different elements of each module. And I've also linked in the column table of their different learning goals and activities for them to review as well, since I could not get it to copy and paste neatly in the syllabus. Okay, back to start here. Okay, they have the technology expectations for the district, and that's a link that'll take them to that website. After they've looked over everything in here, they have a Google form quiz that they will take that just goes over the important information in the syllabus as well as the technology expectations. Then they will move on to module 1. So they've got a few different videos that they will watch that kind of breaks down and explains how to make a choice board in Google Slides. They have their assignment that has a template for them where they'll create their own Google Slide choice board, the Padlet link that they will post their completed link to. That way other teachers can see their completed choice boards, that they can review it and reflect on it and leave comments to one another. And then a discussion board topic after the fact. What are some opportunities that would lend itself to using choice boards in the classroom? So they're expected to answer that and respond to a peer or two. And then module 2 goes over the next content area, which is Google Drawings. So they've got a video to watch here, the assignment with the template for them to complete, which restates the directions for them. The Padlet link for them to upload their completed assignments, and another discussion board topic for them to complete afterwards. What are some assignments or opportunities where you could use Google Drawings in the classroom? So going through this outline is really going to be student-centered. They're going at their own pace. They have a timeline that's recommended for them, but completion of this is truly focused on them. They have the choice of choosing how they complete these assignments and making them relevant to their content area and grade level. Since they're creating all of these assignments, they've got ownership, they have a voice, it's authentic, they're able to create assignments that are going to be relevant to their content area that they can possibly use in the upcoming school year. They're able to collaborate with one another through their discussion board posts per module, because I did add that in after looking at my outline. I decided there needs to be one for each module. And then also in the Padlet link that they'll be uploading their assignments to for every module, that allows them to collaborate with one another there as well. So really the instructor's role here is more of a coach. I'll be going through and commenting and leaving feedback on their different assignments, giving that help if they need it during those office hours. So really the majority of this course is asynchronous. I would say 90-85% is asynchronous, with that small 10-15% as synchronous if they choose to participate in those office hours, which will really just be for help and assignment overviews if they need it. It is a fully online course. So the goal and outcomes is all posted on the syllabus that I went through. And when you look through the modules, they align with the outcomes and expectations of the course, because it really breaks down how to do it, what's expected of them, and then gives them that learning opportunity to create and demonstrate their understanding of that specific technology application or tool through creating their own assignment and then sharing it on Padlet so that their other peers can look over and review those as well, and they can get ideas from one another and discuss in the discussion board their thought processes, what they think could be useful to incorporate that with in the classroom, and they can bounce off and get ideas from each other. That this is why they need to have a timeline, even though it's not truly at their own pace. They still have a pace set out for them. It's just flexible pacing. That way they're able to collaborate. If one person's doing it at the very end, there's no way they're going to be able to collaborate when everyone else is already finished. So they have a set pace so that they can collaborate with one another. And I think that is it.